I just wanted to quickly demonstrate what was happening with the scheduler online and how to fix it. If you click Schedule Inspection Online, it goes to the page that has the ISN scheduler embedded. And on some people's computers, we're getting this hang on, we're setting up loading screen that never loads. And the solution to the problem is enabling third party cookies. That can be done in two different ways. Normally, all cookies are enabled by default, so this is a problem that very few users would actually experience. But one way to enable the third party cookies is to go up to here, the cookie symbol with the red X on it. If you click that, show cookies and other site data, and go to the ones that are blocked, you'll see goisn.net is blocked. If we allow those and click done and then reload the page, that'll allow the scheduler to load correctly. The other way to do that is to actually go into your settings in Chrome, go to privacy and security, cookies and other site data, and allow all cookies. And that'll also solve the problem. And that's the default option on a freshly installed version of Chrome. So this is not an issue that most users will see. However, it has come up with Jules and a few of her clients. So I just wanted to let you know that. Um, the procedure is similar for other browsers, enabling the cookies, but that will solve the problem.